Wait for a minute.
Oh. Is it done now? What is that?
This my bed.
Wow, so nice.
I'll keep my bed with. Come guys. Come guys. Mama, oh, wala na. Oh. What is this?
Oh, it's so dark, baby. Oh,
Wrap my baby here. Here. This my Elsa bed. This flower. This princess flower. This blue color like Elsa. This me. This Papa and this me and this Mama. This is my old bed. See how I sit now. Hey. Now I'll put this one. Messy.
you are going to clean? Okay. So good. Okay.
Mama, here your money.
Thank you. Oh wow. You have a nice ring.
Done.
Okay. So good. Look here. Okay, done. Come, let's go now. It's very clean now.
Now I'll fold this.
She's going to fold clothes. See, my baby can fold clothes also.
So dirty mess. And we keep in that bed here.
Okay. She's cleaning the house. That is yours, yeah.
Poo poo. How I say, Mama?
Poo Emos buy for you.
Poo poo and move by for me. I
Yay.
like it very much.
Yeah.
Poo poo. Poo poo. Buy for me.
Yeah.
Now all clean now.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go now. Clean that side also.
Off the light.
Okay,
Go
madam.
now. Come.
This is her cycle. Okay. What you are going to do now?
It's so messy.
So messy. You are going to clean. Yeah. Okay. That's very good. What's that?
I said, hey.
Fruits. Okay. My baby is so good. Arranging her things, her toys. Do slowly, slowly. Yeah. Yes. Oh. Yes.
Now come. Come.
Okay, I'm your videographer. I have to follow you. Okay. You can sew your bag also.
I already saw my bed.
This bag, frozen bag.
No, this Elsa bag.
Acha, Elsa bag. Sorry.
Didn't
Yeah.
know where.
Oh, you're so full.
I didn't know where.
Oh. This is her Elsa bag.
I need to study now.
Yeah.
Come. It's not my homework.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Papa. Mom, see my ring.
Wow.
It's black color now.
Do you print it by yourself? Do you paint by yourself?
Yeah, I've been burned.
This is her comb.
Mama, please give me. Papa, you can comb your hair.
What about yours?
I already comb my hair, Papa. Hey,
No, not that one. This one. What happened? What happened to your nose?
Oh, this notebook, you are keeping this notebook? Where's your other notebook?
my other notebook.
Mm.
Mama moved up.
How will I click then if I move out?
Give me a bit.
I'll study.
Okay, then you study, say bye.
No.
No?
See, here's Mama, your Mew Mew.
Okay.
Give my
This is her Meow Meow pencil. And so your other pencil?
See my Elsa pencil frozen Elsa.
Yeah, see, this is her frozen Elsa pencil. Everything is frozen. I don't know what to do. Everything is frozen. Elsa.
Mama, do like this.
Her name is also Elsa now. You want to
Mama, please.
write only that.
Yeah.
Write ABC.
No problem. Mama, please do like
You tell Papa to write. How will I write? I'm holding your phone.
How will I
I'm
write?
holding phone.
this.
Achung chu kai le chun. O a zi ki go ta chibo zu zi no. Aman ABC sanga o a zi no ja.
Maybe you can do it by yourself also those two.
No, I don't like this. I'm not so many, Papa. Papa, do it.
Let me
History.
show you how my baby write. It's too much write on the line only 4 or something like that.
Wait, okay? This is my bed.
Yeah, you already saw.
Yeah, I already saw. What Papa do you see? Him doing like this.
Yeah, write this much first.
Huh?
Write it nicely. That is so big.
Okay then.
Can I help it for you?
Yes.
What do you start from here? You have to start from the beginning. It's here. You have to start from here.
Papa, I don't want to start from here now.
It's too big. You see, you have to write like this one.
What?
Yeah. This should be small. No, this is 4 line. You have to write this.
Papa, I don't care.
Oh, I don't care. She don't care.
Mama, don't do like this, okay? Only do like this.
Hindi ka iyan ito.
Come on.
You didn't write properly. The line is not straight. How you are writing? See,
Mama, don't care. It's like, yay! Don't race. Yay! Mama,
how will I get up?
Papa, clap your hand. Yay!
What is not straight?
You make it straight. That's good.
Out here? Do what? No.
Lumieng ta hin be ho chung se chuma ke pa thu kan Yeah. se ye tumi video chu chan chin jai tau te. Thank you for watching. To he ama hin a bo zi no me ABC zi no lo he a he zi no me a hin sun jai me video he kan da le kan su jai lo diu ta ne video he off in ka ting hin sun jai ta ne
Okay.
पिछले के पाव में न बहुत चुन के बाद हुकन से ये बेहो चुन से इन अब हम वीडियो टेंडे कि न तो कि तावती से लॉग ली ना आइकॉन हियर
Thank you for watching. Bye.